Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. As we're heading into the weekend, we had a little bit of volatility today, but not much. So I think the volatility that many expected from Jerome Powell's speech didn't happen. I didn't expect much movement, also didn't focus much on it. There wasn't much talk about anything we didn't know anyway. So yeah, nothing really happened. Still in this triangle pattern here, still waiting primarily for another low. That's still our thesis, our main scenario that another low is going to happen on the ETH chart, the clear expectation. A break above 1723, if that happens, it would not invalidate the downside, but it would make it less likely, let's say significantly less likely. And if then a break above 1800 happens as well, we have to assume that a low was likely already in and that a low has been made here on the 17th of August. But how Ethereum would achieve that remains a little bit unclear. It would have to be in a diagonal. We would have to see this as a wave 1, the move down as a wave 2, and then here the move up as a third wave in an A, B, C structure in a third wave. Then we would need a fourth wave and a fifth wave higher. And if I get these 5 waves above resistance, we can confirm that a low is in. The problem is it's not an impulse. So again, I would need all 5 waves complete. That particular process that we need to go through to confirm that a low is in has already saved us from calling many lows prematurely. There where a lot of people got very bullish already, but it is always worth waiting for those 5 waves to confirm that a low has been made. Now at the moment, price action is bound below resistance, and it's sort of corrective, sort of overlapping price action. Looks like a triangle, looks like a typical wave 4 that could stretch over the weekend again, and then we would expect another move down. Now there are 2 ways how this last wave down could occur and how this fourth wave basically should unfold. First of all, we've got the yellow wave count on the chart. You know that one. I've just moved the wave D over a little bit because it just fits better with the proportions. But a triangle is a 5-wave move: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave in yellow, E wave. In the D wave, we might just be doing the ABC structure. So the D wave might not even be finished yet. And then we could get an E wave, which is a lower high, and then a move down. This is one way how this could unfold. In my opinion, the preferred way. So I still prefer that we are in the 4th wave. But again, it doesn't really make a difference. Why? Because in the white wave count, the wave 4 already topped here on the 23rd of August. And we're already in the 5th wave to the downside, but it would be an ending diagonal. Also in the ending diagonal, we'd be looking at an ABC structure in the wave 1 instead of the D wave. So it doesn't really make a great difference anyway. And then the pullback would be a wave 2, which will look very similar to the E wave. And then we would come down in the 3rd wave anyway. So it doesn't really make a great difference if it's the white wave count or the yellow one. Just note that those 2 are the possibilities that could happen, that could play out. At the moment, I don't assume primarily that the D wave has finished actually. So I'm still watching for further unfolding of the D wave and the E wave. Because if the triangle was finished already, we would likely see quite a strong move down, but we're not there yet. Typically when a triangle breaks to the downside, an Elliott Wave triangle, it's quite a rapid move. So I think after this, quite long period now of sideways action, we can expect some rapid volatility maybe next week, maybe towards the end of this week. Unfortunately, not much more to add here. Breakout points to the downside maybe, that's important. Would be the B wave low, highlighted in yellow. Didn't want to do that. So the B wave low is down here at 1591. As soon as we break below 1591, we have a confirmed break to the downside of the triangle, actually into the expected direction. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.